Law and Order did a video in which, at the last possible second, in order to try and convict somebody of murder, a person who had a vested interest in that person being convicted, who was also accused of the crime by the victim, randomly shows up with the videotape from a camera, who has access to technology capable of doing deepfakes. And there were clear inconsistencies, like the person really being left handed when the video in question was right handed. And it was, well, the DA, who was the longest running character on Law and Order, said, go ahead and use it because we don't know that it's fake. Well, there's a couple of problems why this is less likely to happen in real life. This way, the prosecution has to give the defense the video before the trial starts. And if something like this happens, what would likely happen, what's supposed to happen, is there will be an adjournment. They will have to have hearings on this. They will have to show, analyze it, and question it. But they just let the guy go, it's not really me, it's possibly a fake computer. They would actually have to have time to develop a defense against this particular piece of information, which is why last minute new evidence is not supposed to come in that easily. There's also the question of the ethics. Innocent until proven guilty means you give it to the defense and you possibly give them any reason to think that this might not be factually correct. Or you just simply don't use it because you can't verify it. So it was an interesting moral and ethical question from the standpoint of what to do with deepfakes becoming technologies that are becoming real. But how the movie or how the episode of Law and Order showed it probably would not happen that way.